We have a chasing news alert for you tonight. The stock market for the second time in a week dropping more than 1,000 points. Now, Thursday's drop was less in terms of the percentage, a little less than the drop on Monday, but still a lot of people very concerned that such a massive drop would happen twice, record-breaking, in 1 week. I want to bring in financial journalist and economics expert, market watcher, Dennis Kneale. Dennis, welcome back to Chasing News. How are you?
Hello, Bill. Good to see you. That was a rough day today.
Yeah, so I guess the first question is why and what does it mean to the average person out there?
So the market commentators will tell you that the reason the markets were down is because the economy is growing so fast, wages are rising, and usually that's a really good thing. That worries them, though, that the Fed will worry more about inflation. And so the Fed will raise interest rates to tamp down the economic growth. The market doesn't like that. The market wants growth. So that's what they'll say is the real reason. However, it could also be that the market has been up so torridly since the election of President Trump. It's been up 7% in January, that for some of those computers that trade stocks and the people, they decided time to take profits. And meanwhile, it kind of hurts if you're sitting there on the sidelines and waiting it out the way I typically do.
Now, the optimistic view here is that wages are up nearly 3%. That's on one side. That's great news. On the other side, it seems that the stock market's on sale. If you're looking for a bargain for some of these great stocks out there and you're going to hold it for the long term, now's the time to get in.
It is the time to get in. Don't move a whole lot of money in right away in one fell swoop. Always do things gradually. Just understand some things have to go down so that they can make a nice trip for you back up. And don't worry about it if things go down. I think the stocks could jump around. They could fall a little bit more here and there. I don't think that the bull run is over by any means. It's way too early a call.
Okay, Dennis, thank you. Always good to check in with you. Appreciate the insight.